Welcome to Userlytics Onboarding Guide for Desktop Users. In this video, we'll cover how to launch your study, run system checks, and ensure you're ready to share your screen without technical issues. Let's jump right in. Before you start, make sure you're on a computer with a working webcam and microphone, plus a stable internet connection. Close any applications or software that might interfere with screen sharing or audio recording. First, if you want to use the Userlytics web recorder for seamless usability testing, please download the browser extension beforehand. If you're using Google Chrome, visit the Chrome Web Store and search for Userlytics Web Recorder and click on the Add to Chrome button. If you're using Microsoft Edge, search for Userlytics Web Recorder in the Edge add-ons page. Click Get to add it to your browser. Now you're ready to start testing. Click the link in your invitation to launch the study. You may be asked to enter your name or contact info and complete a screener if required. If no screener is needed, you'll go straight to the pretest. When asked for screen sharing permissions, please select entire screen rather than individual tabs so we capture your full desktop experience. The pretest will automatically check your audio and video quality, browser compatibility, internet connection, and screen sharing permissions. Follow any on-screen instructions, then click Continue. If you're on macOS, you'll need to enable screen recording in your security and privacy settings before sharing. You'll only set this once, and then you're all set for future studies. If you have the Overlay Web Recorder extension installed to your browser, you will see a floating task window that shows the questions or actions you need to complete. You can move around the task window freely around your screen, minimize and expand as you like, for you to comfortably navigate the website or prototype your testing. Your insights are invaluable in helping companies create better products. If you have any questions or need support, please reach out to your test organizer. Thank you for being an essential part of improving user experiences.
Analytics tells you what. Userlytics tells you why.